Skinner. He was a nice guy.
They say.
Yeah, boy. All right, film crew. At 11.
Our film crew.
Yeah, he's filming.
Shooting a live video here.
Oh, we need some good quality footage.
With a tripod and everything.
I'm just curious, how do you shoot a live studio video?
It's really weird.
Quit asking questions.
Sorry.
Hey guys, you know what I'm thinking?
What?
Nap time?
I'm thinking it's kind of hot out here. There's no need for us to really do any landscaping. Looks like they got it under control.
Yeah, Sparky.
So how about we do something totally different?
Go lay by the pool?
Yes. No. I mean, no.
Nachos.
Let's do some landscaping.
You on, Stixie?
I'm on.
There you go.
Okay.
I'm thinking landscaping is what we got to do.
Landscaping's good. After that, let's get some jalapenos and a hot jar of mustard.
Cool. We got dancing people in the streets. I love it when that happens. Shake it, Daddy, shake it. Oh yeah, you know what time it is? You know what time it is? Rock and roll time. Woo! It's gonna be good.
Something wrong with that guy. Yeah.
I know, he's walking around with a camera.
That's not the guy I was talking about.
Really?
Yeah. What's up? Hey, you people at home, come watch some rock and roll with us.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good time.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna stuff this show so full of rock and roll, it's gonna look like a sausage.
Awkward.
How's it going? I'm doing good. You live around here often? Do good? Excellent. I think the bar's that direction.
No.
Yeah. I think he needs another one.
Oh, yeah.
Right this way. Ladies and gentlemen, don't miss this. Come on. Folks, I think it's safe to say this could be the most fun you've had in the last 10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, easily.
Hey, look at that kid is part animal over there.
He is.
Cool.
Sweet.
He's got a, I think he's either lions or tigers or bears.
Oh my. Ladies and gentlemen, we're hanging a left-hand turn right here. We need a whole lot of room.
That's right. Spread out, people.
We'll try not to hit anybody this time.
It's hard.
Okay.
Right this way, ladies and gentlemen. That's good right there, Cousin Sparky. Looking good. Step right up, folks, men, women, children of all ages. I'm telling you right now, you do not want to miss this. It's time for the really big show. I especially want to encourage any agents, concert promoters, high-ranking record executives, or anyone with some spare change to feel free to come right down here to the front hose so we can rock your face off. Right down here to the front, folks. This could be a groundbreaking and catapulting discovery right here. Come on, hosers. Now, folks, I'm sure you're asking yourself right now, why on earth is this highly attractive, friendly, and of course, fashionable gentleman having trouble drawing an audience? It's simple. We are Mulch, Sweat, and Shears. Where yard work is the family business, but hard rock is the family passion. In fact, I often like to refer to it as, get this, honey, yard rock. You'll laugh later. Folks, my name is Morris Mulch. While I'm apparently not cool enough to actually play in the band,
Not in those shoes.
I am cool enough, however, to manage the band, and the first thing I managed to do was score us this really sweet gig right out here in the street, and now we're going to lay a little bit of rock and roll music on each and every one of you, completely free of charge. Can I get a big hand for free of charge? You at home, clap, and get off this guy's couch. What are you doing? Stop mooching. We got Cousin Sparky over here making us all sound good up in the hood, and of course the rest of the group is honing in on an approximate sense of pitch. Wow! Hey!
Sorry.
Wow, folks, we're currently between lawns. Can't think of a better way to spend our time than to stick to the man and kick out a little bit of rock and roll. Boys, are you ready to rock?
Yes, sir.
Then all you gotta do is walk this way! Come on! You know what's happening? Sing it, Daddy!
That's it a long time. You talk to me that say that ain't sitting up till you're down. So I'll be taken away. Come on! That's it, you know, I'm feeling up all the times I wear my nails. They're the best things I've ever with. You know, started with a little kiss like this.
Give me some more hedger, baby!
Seesaw swinging where the balls in school and the feet right up there. Say, hey, get a little one, get in the middle of swing like this. Yeah. Come on! I took a bit tempted, I should have been some thing. Walk the beat, see the pool, go no matter what we say. Walk this way! Talk this way! Walk this way! Talk this way! Walk this way! Talk this way! You gotta sing! Walk this way! You gotta be with me. Come on, give me a kiss! Woo! Like it's like real hard wrestling. Extreme
Dude, I'm kicking the bucket!
Take it home, baby!
Stop! Drop! Roll! Here we go! Oh yeah! Mulch, sweat, and shears, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, it's appropriate to clap. Go ahead and do that. In some countries, they show appreciation by throwing gifts and large amounts of money. You can feel free to do that as well.
Essentially, we don't live there.
That's right. You know what, folks? Here at Mulch, Sweat, and Shears, you might have noticed, today we showed up to this gig in style. That's right. But did you see us cruising in some Luxo tour bus or limousine or even a private jet or a helicopter? No. And why?
Because we're broke.
That's right. And besides that, we prefer to stick with our grassroots rock and roll machine. You see, this thing right here pushes about 10,000 watts of sound, and it has a top speed of 7. So that's good. If you ever hear us rolling through your neighborhood, feel free to jump on board. In fact, you can even call it a free ride. No charge, baby. How about we get our hands together? Come on. Just like this. The mountain is high. And you're confused by the tag. So I'll come here, lend you my hand, and lead you into the promise. Here we go, sugar. Come on and take a free ride.
rock and roll. Come on, Daddy, here we go. And I'm feeling we gotta have that back. We're on a very tight budget. Slap me some skin. Now take a bow. Now take a hike. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little bit about my family band. On the way out of here, up on the keyboard is my cousin. Please give it up for the one and only Buzz Sweat. Of course, tearing up the drums as always, my little sister, Stixie Mulch. Give it up for Stixie. Not bad for a girl. And of course, ripping up that electro-licious bass guitar, my cousin on the cool side, the Hedge Shears. And ripping up that electro-licious guitar, my big brother, Mulch. Very skilled. You should see him play the bongos. And over there in the green shirt, making us all sound good, up in the hood, it's Cousin Sparky. Way to go, Sparky.
That's right, and please everybody put your hands together for my favorite cousin. It's that round man of sound, Morris Q. Mulch.
Thank you. No. Thank you very much. Folks, I hope you had a really good time out here today. If you did, please take advantage of this incredible opportunity to run and buy the whole band ice cream. Yeah. Okay? However, on a much more serious note, if you're here right now and you did not have a very good time, still buy the ice cream. Serious.